In this video, I'll show you turn off Twitter X notifications on your Android phone. Whether you're getting too many alerts throughout the day or simply want a quieter experience, Android gives you a couple of easy ways to manage or completely disable notifications from X. Method 1. Turn off notifications inside the X Twitter app. If you still want to use X but only want to reduce certain alerts, adjusting the notification settings inside the app is the best option. Start by opening the X app on your Android device. Tap your profile picture in the top left corner of the screen. Scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. On some versions of the app, you may first need to tap Settings and Support before accessing the Settings menu. Next, tap Notifications, then select Preferences. Here you'll see different notification categories including push notifications, email notifications, and SMS notifications. Tap the category you want to manage. You can either turn off notifications completely by disabling the main switch at the top or customize which alerts you receive. For example, you can stop notifications for likes, reposts, follows, recommendations, news updates, or activity from specific accounts while keeping important notifications enabled. This method is ideal if you want more control over what X notifies you about without completely disconnecting from the platform. Method 2. Turn off X notifications using Android settings. If you'd rather stop all X notifications instantly, Android's system settings provide the quickest solution. Open the Settings app on your phone and tap Apps or Apps and Notifications, depending on your device model. Select See All Apps if necessary, then scroll down and tap X. Next, tap Notifications. You'll see an Allow Notifications toggle near the top of the screen. Turn this switch off. Once disabled, X will no longer send notification banners, sounds, lock screen alerts, or status bar notifications to your device. You've successfully turned off Twitter or X notifications on Android. You can always return to these settings later if you decide to enable notifications again or customize them to better suit your preferences.